They're so quiet today. Almost summer, guys. Place is quiet. I just love how the trees are beautiful. Nice and green. This is not a main road. Why am I turning around? Place is just so beautiful. Look, nicely manicured. And summer coming up. Hi guys, welcome in. It's nice and sunny. It's almost 80 degrees or 80. Nice and warm. I didn't need this jacket. You know, I could take off this jacket. Let's see how by the river stay first. Because normally around by the river is the coldest. But it's nice. I get used to this damn jacket business, yeah. Till all when it hot, me still I wear it. Jesus. Guys, it's nice and sunny. Yeah, it's not cold. I can take off this jacket. Yes, guys, I can remove my jacket. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice, guys. It's so nice. Can move my jacket. I'm moving my jacket. It's nice. Clothes already hot. I don't need no jacket. So beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Wow. It's the first I'm walking out without any form of winter clothes. Today, 80 degrees. 80. Hi guys, welcome in. Like, share, and subscribe. My motivational talk and walk. Oh, let's see what's there. If they're free. Always I come back up and say, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. What is it we have here now today?
Giving away some candy and some erasers as a little finals treat.
Oh, okay,
From
that's
SPC.
awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So I can take any one?
Take whatever you want.
Wow. So awesome. I like walking because I always get free stuff. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I like these. Thank you so much. Enjoy your summer.
You too.
And see you next time. See you guys. I get free stuff. I'm gonna get free. I'm gonna get Twister. Free. Foreign is nice. You get no freeness. Yeah. It's so cheap to buy candies. It doesn't make sense to sell them. Just give them away. And they were so nice. The students, they're going off on summer break soon. Yeah. I'ma just eat one something there now. Not eat these guys. I'm not eat these now. I don't want to get fat. I'ma eat pizza. Lord have mercy. Foreign life, and if you don't walk and exercise, you're gonna get fat. Whew. Like me can go down at the river, go take a 5. Hi Shireen, them on the live and they not say nothing to me, you know? Them not even like up the live. See it? Let me see how much people on here. Over 15 people in and out. And then like up my live. I mean I carry them, give them so much views of foreign life and student life, and just like I don't want to show the students' face. Oh, it's so beautiful. Mighty God. I don't have on any jacket, guys. No jacket today. The way it's beautiful. No jacket. It's a jacketless day today. No winter coat. So we're getting there. We're getting to summer soon. Now, go down on the river a little bit. Because it just looks so beautiful from the up there. Woo, watch your boat, Jesus. Let me see it. I miss the boat on the river, guys. But me I go near there. Oh, photographer down there too. See the buggy? See the buggy guy? The little buggy? School transportation. Photographer. I'm going to show you the photographer. How far in there? In there, way up on the... There's something I stand up beside. I take picture. So I'm showing him. Because it's so nice out here. Jesus, me not even did want any long sleeve. Me just did want one spaghetti strap blouse. And one piece of shorts. Look on the guy. We are up there, so I take picture. We are up there, so. Alright, there goes the river. There goes the river, guys. There goes the river. There goes the river. Water is calm right now. Very, very calm. Student all the way down there, so lie down. See the photographer there? I'm gonna take picture. Ooh. Guys, like up the live now. I don't know if them can't type. Some people say them can't type and them on my live. I don't know why. I'm not restrict it. Oh, wow. It's a beautiful day, guys. Very beautiful. It's hot, but in the office school. So I do have to wear long sleeve. But next time I know say I wear short sleeve and a jacket over it so I can take it off and walk up down in the sun. But it's a beautiful scene. Let me just project this side for you. It's a beautiful scenery. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. I was having that problem. Yeah, some people tell me so them can't think they're watching but them can't type or anything or say anything to me. Open my earring because I put the phone down on the speaker. But yes, nice day. I guess nicer days are ahead. Yeah. Beautiful river scenery. Beautiful river scenery. Some student down there a sunbath. But it's beautiful. Beautiful. Watch my reflection in the phone. Whew. Beautiful, beautiful campus view. Beautiful. See, guys? This is foreign today. 80 degrees. And if it's gonna rain later, I don't remember where it go. But yeah. Dominique, welcome in, Dominique. Welcome in. Yeah. Yep. Welcome in. Yeah, my lunchtime always so something there. Always have some excitement. I know I got more when the kids them gone. So go quiet. The summer is gonna be quiet. See? Yeah, but it's nice and warm. What's the motivational talk for today? What's the talk for today, guys? Oh, the talk could be there are different seasons in life. Oh, see boat there now, guys. On a seat? Of course, on a seat. See there? Yeah. Oh, I'm gone. I'm seeing there. Boat that? I look up on almost something there, so. Or a wait. A boat that, guys? I saw the boat go. I saw the boat go. I want a small one that then. You see it? Or is a water bike? I don't know it's what, but that's something on the water because it's nice now. So people are out doing them things. It's nice, see there? I'm going around this one. I don't know if it'll come back, but it's nice. It's a boat, okay. It looks so tiny, maybe because I'm this far. Yeah. So yes, guys, we have different seasons go out, especially if you're in a foreign country. But in Jamaica, hurricane season is there and the regular season is there. So make hay while the sun shine. While there is sunshine, do what you can do. Alright? Don't wait until the sun don't shine and you're gonna say, you know somebody did for wash the clothes them. I did for go take up the clothes them off of the line. Look at the rain now and wet them up. Yeah. Make hay while the sun shine. I always hear people say that phrase there. So now the sun a shine, me making hay. Cause I come out and I get little suntan. I get little sun bath. I enjoy the sunshine. In the office with the AC. See there? See boat there? Woo! You see it, guys? A boat, you know? See there? In the office with very cold. The office is so cold. I come and get some sunshine, you know? What if I not get any more? Yeah. I can say I did. Came out this day and the sun was very hot and outside was very lovely. I could take off my jacket and just walk. So make hay while the sun shines, guys. Very important. So if you can do something today, don't procrastinate. Put it off till the next day and the next day and the next day. I do that too, but I have to encourage, so that you don't fall in the same trap. Do it if you can do it. No, do it. Don't say, ooh, train, guys, train, excitement, train. The one here is small. This one was very small. Then I don't listen the train drive on the regular road there, so. Mm, how comes? Yeah, so do what you can now. Some people are gonna say, oh, I wait till my next paycheck for do that something there. And then get the paycheck in and then could have do it. And then say, no man, make me wait till the next one. I say, no man. And then the something gone way up and get it more expensive and you can't buy it again. Jesus, upon my time I go away. Alright, so I have 6 minutes more. So yes, you need to make hay while the sun shines. Do what you have to do now. That's what it means. And don't wait until tomorrow. Do what it is you need to have done now. And don't procrastinate and wait until tomorrow. Okay? That's a motivational word for today. Oh, she running at the sun at. Lord God. Me I walk, but me not run. Right now, me feel exhausted for walking at that sun out here. To go back up. So, yeah, that's the motivational talk. Make hay while the sun shines. Yes, guys. Jesus, man, we'll go around this. So, most of me I walk back here, so run this is too hard. Oh, oh, oh. Whew. It's a hill, you know. It's a little hill. It's a little steep. So, me have to stretch my foot them a little longer to come up this little steepish. Like them might have something over there, so every minute me see them gone over there. So. Every day something up me here, and it's just 2 minutes ago. But every day something happens, some function. Jesus, I saw me unfit. Me unfit if any. Me I breathe like me don't know if it said just come up this. If unfit was a person, I mean, what the heck is that? On the river. Whew. Yes, guys. Yeah. She get such a good tan. Jesus. Guys, have you been getting friend requests from Global Harvest? Anybody else? Shireen, you get friend requests from Global Harvest? I just saw MSN come in and I'm sure it's not a pasta. I go just unfollow back it. Ooh, them a mow the lawn. Heavy duty something, you know. One big all over heavy duty more. Yes, a lot of time I delete it. At first I see it. And now that me realize me, I say, Global Harvest now gonna message me if they even send me a friend request. Pastor not have no time for that. So I scam them. I got block and delete. right after this live. Something about beloved. Oh, I'm going to scam my one so they're sitting there. Whew. Me say, right now, as me hang up this live, me I got black. She puppy again. Mercy. No, so dog follow me everywhere me go. Dog follow me. You can't see him? Watch him. See? Ooh, it's like I'm my favorite pet. It's a Starbucks. I wish for a Starbucks there. Upon campus and off campus, maybe they walk under the something there and go Starbucks. Whew. Jesus. Me tired. I am tired. I may have 1 minute. I may have 3 minutes to... Jesus. When the lawn, guys, very pretty. You see, them are more very pretty. They're not reaching in the middle here so yet. But it's very pretty. Someone was using the national profile. Are you? Oh God. When I accept no friend request from me, I say no friend request. I not normally accept all when I know the people them. I don't normally confirm back. I just make it stay. I don't know when I go confirm this one. But I go block it. Unfriend it. So guys, thank you all for coming to lunch with me today on this lunch walk. I'm Shireen. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you guys maybe tomorrow. Depends on the weather. So thank you so much and have a peaceful and productive rest of the day. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Peace out. You too. Peace. Share the live, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you.